guess this is it. I always thought that. I always thought that somehow, someday, I'd figure out what I was good for. But now, it's clear that I'm not good for anything. I guess I should say that you shouldn't blame yourself. That this isn't your fault. No, fuck it. If you feel even a little bit bad at all, then it is your fault. It's everyone's fault. It's my father's fault. Mom, this is your fault. All the people at school, all the students, all the teachers, the principal, this is all your fault. And I'm sick and tired of people pretending like it's not their problem. I want the guilt to eat you up, and I want you to think about what you should have done for the rest of your sorry lives. Who am I kidding? No one's gonna care. No one's gonna feel bad. Nobody's gonna miss me.